Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to activate HSBC debit card. So at first you don't need to activate it separately. You can just take the card and use it as the cash machine or in-store purchase by entering your PIN number and everything, and the card should be pretty much activated. But if you want to activate it with the mobile banking app, you should have first open the app and log in, and then you're going to tap the account for the cards that you want to activate. Then you're going to click on manage cards, and then we're going to select on activate card and then confirm, and there you go, your card will be ready to use. And if you want to activate it with online banking, go to the official website, sign in, and then manage, and then again activate card and choose the card, confirm, and your card will be activated. And if you want to call them, their number is always there, and this is for credit cards, but just call this one in general and then let them know that I have a debit card and I want to activate. Is it activated or not, and what I need to do, and they'll let you know. This is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.